So welcome to the day 1 of my 2-week journey. Birthday is on June 19. So I have this goal na within 2 weeks, kailangan mas gumanda ko. I mean, mas na-improve ko yung sarili ko. I have to feel better and bonus siguro yung to look better. So I'm going to do things that will help me improve myself. Parang i-makeover ko yung sarili ko bago mag-birthday. Kasi meron akong planong parang photoshoot kineme. Sariling photoshoot lang naman. I don't know how to organize this 2-week journey, pero so I'm just gonna make chika to you guys as I go along. By the way, nauna na palang minake-over yung hair ko, pero ayoko muna ipakita sa inyo. It's short, okay? It's really short. And it's like an inch shorter than my intended hairstyle, yung gusto ko talagang hairstyle. So, try ko muna siyang pahabain ng konti in 2 weeks bago ko ipakita sa inyo. And, you know, just in time for my self-photo shoot. Goal number 1 is, as much as possible for 2 weeks, kaya gusto kong mabawasan pa ng konti yung timbang ko. Weight loss is not a super fast thing. I've been trying to lose weight since January of this year, and nakakita naman ako ng result. I think weight loss journey deserves a separate video. Pero yeah, try ko pa rin kahit paano mas mabawasan pa yung timbang ko. So I'm going to work out. And guys, my God, I have this thing. Binili ko to sa Shopee. This is a sauna like top. Nakabaliktad siya. Ito yung parang sa loob. And this will help you like sweat more. Lalo na sa upper body. And by the way, I am wearing TikTok leggings. Nabili ko lang to sa Shopee, guys. Pero nakaka-inspire siya mag-workout kasi parang meron siyang, binibigyan kanya illusion na meron kang bonggang puwet. So nakaka-inspire tuloy mag-squats. So next thing I do, guys, after working out is I prep my drinks for the day. This is a 2,600 ml water water bottle. Tapos sa loob merong 2 lemon. So etong lemon nito, it's been like what 2 or 3 days ko nang nakababad, and then i-refill ko lang yung water. So I think it's time for me to replace it. So etong ganito kalaki is nakaka 2 to 3, pag masyadong mainit, 4 refills ako. So imagine nyo, 4 na 2,600 ml. That's really, really good. Guys, I've been doing itong Teamy 30-day detox. This is not sponsored or whatsoever. Pero, I think it does work. Lalo na itong Teamy colon tea. Every other day itong dapat i-take, and it's really helping me with my bowel movement. And then etong skinny tea, it helps me mabawasan yung feeling na bloated ka. Alam mo yung parang busog ka, pero kahit hindi ka naman kumain. Tas alam mo yung parang gassy feeling sa tummy mo. And at the same time, parang I sweat more. Alam mo yung mas mabilis lumabas yung pawis ko every time nag-workout ako ever since I took this tea. So, it's been wonderful. Nag-iinit lang ako ng water. Ito, super tipid. It's for 30 days, pero parang lalagpas pa siya ng 30 days sa akin. Kasi ang kailangan mo lang naman is 1 teaspoon a day for ganito kalaki. 1 teaspoon, and then parang pwede mo siyang initin like mga 3 times refill ng water. Guys, next I'm going to do is maliligo na ako. Wait, I'm not going to eat breakfast because for my weight loss journey, ang way ko is the OMAD diet, or 1 meal a day. It's like I'm in a intermittent fasting. I usually eat at 12 noon hanggang 3 p.m. Sometimes ina-adjust ko mas umaaga 11 hanggang 2 p.m. o kaya 10 hanggang 1 p.m. Basta as much as possible. 2 hours lang yung yung window period ko to eat, but it's not like strictly OMAD. It's not like a strict intermittent fasting. Siguro in 1 week, like 5 times OMAD, and then may 2 araw na, alam mo yun, whatever. So, ayoko naman parusahan yung sarili ko. Nung January, nag-start ako ng weight loss journey ko nung January, and then, yun, nag-struggle talaga ako with OMAD. Pero come like February, March, April, parang super comfortable na ako. It's been part of my routine. Lalo na nakakita na ako ng results. Nakaka-addict siya. I don't wanna like explain too much about my diet or yung parang weight loss because I'm focused ito is not really on weight loss but on how I personally make myself feel better, look better, to boost my self-confidence and everything. Anyway guys, sakto-sakto for this glow up challenge na gagawin ko, may nagpadala. I think Sisterette, skincare Sisterette na Everbalana. This is the Hyalu Glow Boost collection set. Sige, tingnan natin. Okay. For that 2 weeks, tingnan natin if mag-work ng bonggang-bongga sa akin itechiwa. Okay, so first we have the Hyalu Glow Boost Brightening Sheet Mask. Brightening and intense hydration. Meron siyang hyaluronic acid and skin vitamin C, E, and niacinamide. By the way, guys, if you're struggling with acne at yung mga butlig-butlig na ganyan, tapos parang hindi nag-work sa inyo yung mga anti-acne products, diba? Acne-prone products, try nyo mag-focus on moisturizing your skin. Kasi yung mga acne products, nakaka-dry yan. And the more na nagda-dry yung skin mo, the more na may irritate at may aggravate yung mga pimplets mo. Over here, we have the Hyalu Glow Boost Deep Hydrating Gel for face and body, illuminating and skin hydration. So, it attracts and locks in moisture. So, this is made in Korea as well. Meron siyang niacinamide, vitamin C and E, and of course, hyaluronic acid. And then, we have a foam wash. Thank God, meron tayong foam wash. Tapos, cleansing toner. Low pH cleansing toner, skin perfecting and intense hydration. And then we have the Glow Boost water cream. Ano to? SPF. Oh my God, kompleto siya, dai. Thank you. Thank you so much to Hyalu. Sige, tatry natin to for 2 weeks. And i-review ko na rin. Now, for my anong tawag dito? For my soap and lotion kineme on my body. Meron din ako, pero bukas ko na papakita guys, kasi hindi pa dumadating. Umorder ako, hindi pa dumadating. Hopefully dumating today or probably tomorrow, early tomorrow. Guys, yung mga products pala na to is paraben-free, cruelty-free, and mineral oil-free, alcohol-free, pH balanced, vegan, non-comedogenic, and no synthetic colors. So, okay guys, wag niyo sana masamain yung video na to. This is my personal journey na gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. And you can use it for whatever purpose. You can use it for entertainment purpose only. Or if you need an inspiration to get yourself moving, get yourself going, to improve yourself. Or product review, because I'll be using a lot of products na as much as possible, affordable. Wala na siya masamang amoy. Amoy toner. Next product I'm going to use is this one right here. Ito yung Deep Hydrating Gel for face and for body. Oh, ang laki. Gusto ko sana gamitin to for the body, kaya lang baka maubos agad. So, dito lang muna siya sa face. Next product, you guys, I'm going to use is itong water cream na merong SPF 50 PA+, broad spectrum protection plus intense hydration. Hey guys, welcome to day 2. So, my orders arrived. So, ang siste for skincare for my face, I'm going to use exclusively itong sa Hyalu Glow Boost na line. And then, for my soap, gamitin ko itong Silka Green Papaya. Kasi I remember guys, naturally fair, pero every time na magpupunta kami sa beach or magsaswimming, ganyan-ganyan, mabilis talaga akong ma-sunburn, mabilis akong umitim. And I always use this para mabilis makarecover yung skin ko, bumalik yung natural color ko. So, I really do think this is effective. So, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakagamit nito, like years na. So, ako ay nagbabalik loob. Ganun. And then, of course, sasamahan natin ng Silka Green Lotion. Wala akong makita malaki nito. So, I bought like other varieties. Pero Silka pa din. And then, for my hair care, dahil gusto kong tumubo palalo yung hair ko kasi nga, it's like an inch shorter than what I wanted. So, bumili ako nitong Black Beauty Gold Shampoo for fuller and thicker hair. Nakuha ako dun sa salitang power dose. And then, meron pa sa instruction parang kailangan mo siyang iwan on your hair for like 2 to 3 minutes. So, I think, promising yon. And then, sachet lang yung binili ko, hindi yung malaking bote because I feel like mas nakakatipid kapag ka sachet. Pag bote kasi parang hindi mo makakontrol ano yung paggamit mo. Pero at least sa sachet, I can monitor my use. So, I bought like 14. Good for 2 weeks. And then, bumili ako nito, the Malunggay Herbal Hair, Scalp, and Skin Therapy Oil. Nakaka-boost siya ng hair growth. So, alam mo yun, gusto ko talagang ratsyadahin yung hair growth ko for 2 weeks. And then, I have here Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. I have this for a very long time na hindi ko palang na-maximize. Pero I'm going to put this on my stretch marks, lalo na yung after ko mga like post-pregnancy stretch marks. Yan, tatargetin ko with this one. So, syempre, hindi ko na papakita sa inyo kasi andito yan sa tummy ko. And then, I also got itong Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Ang daming parang vloggers, beauty vloggers, like international, ang gumagamit ito. So, I'm really curious. So, yeah. So, those are my tools for this 2-week Paano Gumanda Glow Up Challenge. Guys, maliligo na ako. For conditioner pala, gagamitin ko tong Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner. This is really, really good. Pati yung shampoo niya. Wala pa kasi ako napipiling bagong conditioner to use for like 2 weeks to try out. So, eto muna for today. Of course, gagamit tayo ng loofah bells. Nasabi ko na ba, yung toothpaste na gagamitin ko is itong Colgate Optic White Sparkling White. Tingnan natin kung puputi yung ngipin ko in 2 weeks. And then guys, itong Moringa O Malunggay Therapy Oil, lalagyan ko yung talampakan ko. Kasi, ayan o, it's so dry. Isa to sa pinaka-neglected part of my body. Did I say talampakan? I meant yung heel. Ayan, sana mag-heal yung aking heel. Because it's so freaking dry. Hey guys, welcome to day 3. My hair is such a mess. By the way, I forgot to mention, dito pala sa 2-week challenge ko, I'm also going to take vitamins that I've never done before. I don't drink vitamins, guys. I'm so sorry, but I will for this 2-week challenge. And one of the vitamins I'm going to take is itong Kanzay's Multivitamins plus Minerals. Kasi for some reason, dalawa sa mga OBs na pinuntahan ko before I got pregnant, when I was trying to get pregnant, isa ito sa mga nireseta nila, Kanzay's. I don't know why. I mean, wala naman sigurong parang difference or competition with other brand, pero for some reason, parehas yung magkaibang doktor na yun. Kanzay's yung nireseta sa akin. So, yeah, I'm going to take this. And si mother-in-law, meron siyang calcium. Isang po ng calcium. So, maybe I'll try to drink one na rin. Kasi with my age, we need to start taking care of our bones. guys, another way to motivate yourself to go work out is go buy some cute workout clothes. It doesn't have to be expensive. Lahat to ay galing sa Salamat Shopee. So I got another TikTok short, but this one it's in white. So this is my third na. Oh, this one is pretty cute. Oh, tapos meron siyang like leggings na sa loob, so you're protected. This one is like yoga shorts, like super stretchy, super comfy. I got another one in camouflage and another one in pink. So I'm wearing this one for today. Hey guys, welcome to day 6. Mag-workout na ako pero ang fluffy ng hair ko kasi bagong gising. Tapos may mga hindi pala ako na chika. For my underarms, my god, ginagamit ko itong sa Skin Potions, yung Sorcerer Cream, Underarm Brightening Cream, and then for my deo, yung kanilang Wizard Spell Underarm Deodorant Spray. Yan. Effective naman to. Ito, ginamit ko. On and off kasi ako sa paggamit nito, pero during the time na consistent ko siyang ginamit, kahit pa paano naglighten naman yung ano ko, yung underarm ko. Kasi when I got pregnant, yung umiitim yung kilikili tsaka batok, totoo yun. They didn't tell me na pag naganak ka, bahala ka na pala sa buhay mo para mo tatanggalin yung nangitim all over your body. So, hindi pala siya like automatic mawawala. It will take time and alam mo yun, kailangan mong tulungan yung sarili. Pero ito, hindi naman siya like super duper mabilis na alam mo yun, na kapag like in 1 week, ang puti na agad ng kilikili mo. It will take time, pero somehow, nakatulong naman siya. I'm going to get yung malunggay oil. And then, maglalagay ako sa hair ko. Bababad ko siya habang nag-workout ako. Yun yung sinuggest. Guys, we have another toothpaste here. Itong Colgate Sugar Acid Neutralizer. I kind of like this as well. Kaya lang syempre ang goal ko is medyo tingnan natin kung mas puputi pa yung ngipin ko. Next is mouthwash. Now guys, itong mouthwash na to, sinama ko to sa aking glow up routine. Not really to like do something on my teeth, but more like habit for me. Because if you start doing something and you're able to do it like 2 weeks straight, it's going to be part of your routine. So alam mo yun, for the longest time, hindi talaga ako mahilig mouthwash. I'm adding this on my routine because it's good to have like extra kick of fresh breath. Oh, and guys, I forgot who told me, pero the first thing you want to do after taking a bath, after taking a shower, as in pagkapunas mo ng towel sa katawan mo, is put on your lotion or your body oil, whatever. Kasi open pa daw yung pores mo. So, you know, your skin's gonna absorb the lotion faster. Syempre, effectivity, mas bongga. So, as much as possible, wag ka muna mamasyal, ganyan-ganyan. Wag mong paabutin sa sobrang tuyo na yung body mo bago ka mag-lotion. As much as possible, paglabas mo ng shower, go put on your lotion. Kailangan naman pala akong tubig.